Himstay, good to see you again. I know you've been a great supporter, and hi again from Knoxville. Well, great. I assume you guys are in the middle of that heat wave, right? A lot of the middle of America is in a massive heat wave right now, so I hope you're staying cool out there. This is Vibob says, I'm a student living in Mumbai. Well, great. Good to see you. Syed Salman Assi says, hello from United States. Well, what part of the United States? It's a big country. Let me know what part you're joining us from. Karthi says, hello, Dennis. Hey, Karthi, good to see you, my friend. I know you've been on here before. Let me remember. I think you are from Tamil Nadu. Did I get that right? I think that's where you're from. I think you've joined us from there before. Let us know where you're from. Or rather, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe you're from Tamil. Neil and Ash says, hey, Dennis. Hey, Neil, good to see you. Thanks for joining. Syed Salman says they're joining us from Atlanta. Cool. What do you do in Atlanta? I have a couple of friends there. But I really don't know a lot about the tech scene in Atlanta. Let me know what you do there. Raphael says hello from London. Well, hello to you too, Raphael. I love London. Such a cosmopolitan city. You know, so many people from all around the world.